ዛሬ የምናየው ስለ ሪል ነምበር ወይ ደግሞ ራሽናል ነምበር ነው። ባለፈው ኤክሰርሳይዝ 1.1 አይተን ነበረ። ዩኒት 1 ኤክሰርሳይዝ 1.1 አይተናል። ዛሬ የምናየው ኤክሰርሳይዝ 1.2 ነው። ስለዚህ ቀጥታ ወደ ጥያቄው ነው የምንሄደው። ከዚህ በፊት የለቀኩትን ኤክሰርሳይዝ 1.1 ያልተከታተላችሁ ካላችሁ ሊንኩን ከዚህ ቪዲዮ ዲስክሪፕሽን ስር ስለማስቀምጥ እዛ ላይ መከታተል ትችላላችሁ። ወይ ደግሞ ቪዲዮ ላይ ፈልጋችሁ ሰርች አድርጋችሁ ኤክሰርሳይዝ 1.1 ብላችሁ ሰርች በማድረግ ፈልጋችሁ መከታተል ትችላላችሁ። አሁን ቀጥታ ወደ ኤክሰርሳይዝ 1.1 ነው የምንሄደው። So today we will see exercise 1.2. Previous we see exercise 1.1. We will the link of exercise 1.1 we put or we leave the link under this video description box, and we will now start exercise 1.2 directly. Let us start. Question number 1 say express each of the following rational number as decimal. We will divide this fraction to change to decimal. It is very simple equation, and we can use our mobile, or we will do by using paper. Let us do some exercise from given A to F equation. For example, we will do only A, D, and F. We will do this say equation 4/9. Let us start by dividing 4/9. So 4/9 will be done like this. We first divide 4 by 9. Sorry. Here. 4 divided by 9. To change this to decimal, directly we divide 4 by 9. Let us 4 will not divide by 9, so we will give here by pointing in the 0. When we divide 14 by 9, it will be 4. 4 times 9, 36. When we subtract 40 from 40, 36 from 40, we get 4. We give now also 0. The 40 divided by 9, it is also now 4. Now we multiply 4 times 9. 4 times 9, 36. When we subtract 36 from 40, it will be 4. Now 4 is not divided by 9. We give now also 0. 40 divided by 9, we now also 4. 4 times 36, it will be continue like this, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. So our answer is 0.444444. Can put like this, or can also put 0.4 under. This is the answer. This is the answer, not non-stoppable decimal. So 0.444. It will continue non-stoppable. So this is question number 1A, and we will do for others. Let us do C, not D. First, the D will be changed like this: 5 times 3 plus 2. Make like that because it is a mixed fraction, so we will change to normal fraction. Minus 5, 2 over 3. So we will change this to this. First, let us clear our whiteboard, and let us do minus 5, 2 over 3. To change this to fraction, minus 5 times 3, minus 50 plus 2, minus 2, we will get. So we first multiply 5 times 3 plus 2, 5 times 3, 15, 15 plus 2, 17. So minus 70 over 3. It is equivalent to this number. ስለዚህ ይህንን አባዝተን እንደዚህ ይመጣል ማለት ነው። ከዛም በኋላ we will divide this minus 70 by 3. Let us 17 divided by 3. Let us do it. 17 divided by 3, it will be minus 5. Minus 5 times 3, minus 15. When we minus 5, we will subtract from minus 70 minus 50. It will be plus when we multiply. Is here another minus, so minus times minus plus. So when we subtract from minus 70 minus 50 from minus 70, we will get minus 2, because this minus times minus, it will be give us plus. So we subtract 50 from minus 70, so we will get 2 minus 2. When we divide minus 2 by 3, it not we cannot divide by putting a dot here. We can give here 0. Minus 20 divided by 3, it will give us 6. 6 times 3, it will give us 18. 18 minus 18. So when we are now also we get minus 2. Now also give 0. It will be continue like this, 6, 6, 6. So our answer will be minus 5.666. It will continue like it repeats 6 with stop level. So we rewrite this number by like this: minus 5 dot 6 and top bar. So this is our answer. So this is a very simple question, simply dividing a given fraction with the given fraction number. So this is all about C, and we will do for others. Let us the final question here. This is the final question. If 22 over 7, this number is pi. number. So let us do for this 22. The other also very simple. ይሄኛው የፓይ ዋጋ ነው። ስለዚህ 22 ለ7 ነው የምናካፍለው ማለት ነው። So when we divide 22 by 7, it gives us 3. Sorry, here's some error. 3 times 7, 21. When we subtract 21 from 22, we get 1. 1 is not divided by 7. We putting here dot, and we will give here 0. 0, 10 divided by 7. We will get 1. 1 times 7, 7. When we subtract 7 from 10, we get 3. Now also 3 is not divided by 7. We give for this 3. 30 divided by 7. We will 4. 4 times 7, 28. When we subtract 28 from 30, we will get 2. 2 not divided by 7. We give for here 0. 20 divided by 7. We will get 2. 20 divided by 7. 2. Yes, it will give us 2. 2. Then 2 times 7, 14. 14 will not divided by when we subtract 40 from 20, we will get 6. 6 is not divided by 7. We will add 0. 60 divided by 7. We get 8. 8 times 7. 8, 56. 56. We also now we get 4. 4 is not divided by 7, so we will give here 0. 40 divided by 7, we get 5. 5 times 7. We will continue here. 40 divided by 7. 5 times 7, 35. When we subtract 35 from 40, we will get 5. 5 now also 5. 5 is not divided by 7, so we will give 0. 50 divided by 7, we will get 7. Here 7. 7 times 7, 49. When we subtract 49 from 50, we will get 1. 1 is not divided by 7, so we will give 0. When we divide 10 by 7, we will get 1. 1 times 7, 7. So we will 3 here. 3 is not divided by 7, so it will be continue like this. So here, as you see, here is the same thing is exist. So the other number all are repeated here like that. So our answer will be 3.1428 5 7 5 7 5 7. Sorry, yeah, 5 7. This number is repeated, so our answer is this. So this is all about question number 1. As you can ask me if you by trying this the other number C and E ይህን ይመስላል። አንደኛው እዚህ ላይ ያልገባችሁ ጥያቄ ካለ እዚህ ውስጥ እንዲሰራላችሁ የምትፈልጉት ካለ ቻናሉን ሰብስክራይብ አድርጋችሁ ጥያቄያችሁን መጠየቅ ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ይህን ይመስላል አንደኛ ጥያቄ። ወደ ሁለተኛ ጥያቄ ነው የምንሄደው። ሁለተኛ ጥያቄ ምንድነው የሚለን? ሁለተኛውም በጣም ቀላል ጥያቄ ነው። ራይት ኢች ኦፍ ዘ ፎሎዊንግ as a decimal then as fraction in its lowest term. We this question first write this number in decimal numbers, then with fraction, then in the lowest fraction by simplifying given decimal to fraction. So let us start from A. 3 tens means we write this like okay, let us clear make not fun. The question says that 3 tens means 3 over 10. 3 over 10. This gives us 0.3. 0.3. This is a decimal number. Then we or the fraction is simply like it already simplified form. So this is A is simply already simplified, and 4,000ths 3 tens 4,000ths 3 tens means 0.3. when we change to fraction 3 over 10. This is already simplified format. We will not simplify it, so we will continue for the next question. 4,000ths 4,000ths means 0.0014. This is 4,000ths. So when we write this in fraction form, 4 over 1,000ths, 1,000ths, this will be simplified like this. When we divide 4 by 4, it gives us 1. When we divide this number by 4, it will gives us like this. So the simplified form of this fraction will be like this. We can now will check also this and this are equal by using calculator. So this is for B. Let us 12 hundredths. Sorry, 12 hundredths means it gives us like this. Let us clear our whiteboard and we'll continue. 12,000 means 0.12. Simply 0.12. Let us write this with fraction 12 over 100. This is simply 12 over 100. Let us divide this by 4. 12 by 4, it gives us 3. 100 by 4, it gives us 25. So this is simplified answer, fraction answer. So this is all about B. And D, 300 in the 69,000. This gives we can write this like this: 300.69,000. Let us rewrite this. First, let us clear our board and we will write this like this. 0 or not 0 point, sorry. It is already 300. The question says that 369,000. So we write this like 300 and 300 dot 69 means 69,000 means 0.69. So when we rewrite this with a fraction, 3,0,069 over uh, over 1,000. So this is a fraction. We write and we can try to divide this by. It is already a simplified answer because it is not simplified this fraction. So this is all about question number 2. We will continue to question number 3. ስለዚህ ይህን ይመስላል ማለት ነው። ሁለተኛ ጥያቄ አንደኛ ጥያቄ ሰርተናል። እስከ ሁለት ሶስተኛውን እንቀጥላለን። እዚህኛው ላይ ግን ሶስተኛው ላይ ከመሄዳችን በፊት ያልገባችሁ ጥያቄ ካለ ቻናሉን ሰብስክራይብ አድርጋችሁ ጥያቄያችሁን ኮሜንት ላይ ማስቀመጥ ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። አሁን ወደ ሶስተኛው ጥያቄ ነው የምንሄደው። ሶስተኛው ጥያቄ ምንድነው የሚለው? Write each of the following in meters as fraction in the same as a decimal. When we convert 4 millimeter to meters, we simply divide this with 100 because 1 meters is equal to 100 centimeters and 1 meters is equal to 1000 millimeters. So we simply divide 4 by 1000 and we will divide all this by 100 in the 1000. So we will start from a so when we start from A says that the question under A is 4 millimeter. Let us change this number 4 millimeters. As we see before, as we say before, 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeters. So simply divide this by 1000 for 0.00. When we divide for simply by counting this number, when we divide 4 by 1000 we get like this. So after that we will put this number in fraction. 4 over 1000. Let us simplify it. 4 divided by 4, 25. Sorry, not 25. 1 over when we divide this 25, and this is a simplified fraction and this is a decimal answer. So this is all about A. And B will say that we simply first we divide each and we will add this number, or first we change all centimeter in the millimeter towards meters, then we add these two number. We'll continue the ጥያቄ ስናልፍ ጥያቄ 6 ሴንቲሜትር እንደ 4 ሚሊሜትር ነው የሚለው። ስለዚህ ይህንን ወደ ሜትር ነው የምንቀይረው ማለት ነው። የተሰጠን ምንድን ነው የሚለው 6 ሴንቲሜትር and and 4 millimeter. This will be we by changing all this we will try to first change this 2 meter. When we change this 2 meter, simply dividing by 100. When we divide 6 by 100, we get 0.06 plus, and we will change this also 0.00 by 1000. We divide this number by 1000 because 1 meter is equal to 1000 1000 millimeters. So we will put like this. After that we will add we will add this number. We get that 4 times 0, 4 times plus 4 plus 0, 4 0 plus 6 6, and 0 plus 0 0, and after point 0 plus 0 0, we will get this number. After that we write this number as fraction 64 over 1000. We can simplify this number by when we divide it by 4. 64 divided by 4, we will get 60. When we divide 1000 by 4, we get 250. We can also now divide this number by 2. 8 8 over 175. Because when we divide this number by 2, we get this number. Sorry, here is when we divide 250 with 2, we get 125. This is the final answer, and this is the decimal answer. So this is all about B. If you have any question, you can subscribe the channel, and you leave your comment. You leave your question under comment. So this is all about. We will continue to do this questions. Is the same. This C is the same as B. So we will jump to question number 4. የአራተኛው ሶስተኛ ጥያቄ ሶስተኛ ሲ ጥያቄ ከቢ ጋር ተቀራራቢ ነው። ስለዚህ ዘለን አራትን እንሰራለን ማለት ነው። አራተኛ from each of the following fraction identify those that can be expressed as terminating decimal. From each of the following identify those that expressed as terminating decimal. መቆም የሚችልና መቆም የማይችል ዴሲማል አለ። መቆም የሚችለውንማ የማይችለውን ለይታችሁ አውጡ እየተባልን ነው። እንጀምራለን። start question number 4 ኤ ላይ ያለው አሁን የተሰጠን 5/13 ነው። 5 over 13. So we will divide first. We will divide 3 by 13. We can use a calculator, or we can also do by dividing formula. Let us start. The question says that 5 over 13. This will be simply divide to change it to decimal to check it is terminating or not terminating decimal or not. We will first divide 5 by 30. 5 is not divided by 30. We will put a point and we will give for this 0. 50 divided by 30, we will say uh, 4 4 times 52, so 4 is not possible. We put 3 times 30, 39. 39. When we subtract of 39 from 50, we get 11. 11 again. Also we have to give by 0 because 11 is not divided by 13. So when we divide 110 by 13, we will get 8. 8 times 13. 8 times 30. 8 times 30. 104. 104, like this. When we subtract from 110 this number, we get 4 4 6, sorry, 6 6 6 6 6 is not divided, so we give now also 0. 60 divided by 30, it now 4. 4 times 13, 52. 52. 52. When we subtract from 8, we will get 8. 8 is not divided right now, also we give 0. When we divide 13, now let us divide this by 3. We will 6. 6 times 6 times 13, we will multiply in the 78. 78. 78 divided by this, when we subtract 78 from 80, we get 2. Now I'll give 0. It's a continuous fraction decimal number, so it is non-terminating. Non-terminating. This is not terminating fraction because we can also use calculator. Let us 5 divided by 30, we will get this number. It is not 0.384661. It is not terminating decimal. So B simply divide 7 by 10. It's 0.7. It is terminating terminating fraction decimal. So this is 7/10 terminating decimal, because when divide 7/10 means simply dividing 7 by 10, we get 0.7. So this is terminating terminate decimal. So C, let us check C. C 64. 69/4. You can also now use a calculator. You can use a calculator. 69 divided by 64, we get this number. This is terminating terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. And we will continue. It takes time to use formula. We simply by checking our calculator can answer this question. 11 divided by 60. 60, we get 0.183333. It is not terminating decimal, so this is not terminating decimal. B and C are terminating decimals. A and D are not terminating decimal, and we will see E. When we divide, let us use calculator. 11 divided by 18, we get this number. This is terminating decimal, so E also terminating decimal, and we will continue. If says that if simply divide 70 by 125, we will get 0.166. It is, as you see, obviously it is a terminating decimal, and we will do C also. G means 5 divided by 12. This, when we divide, we will get this number 0.41666. It is not terminating because 6 is repeated infinitely. So this is a non-terminating decimal or not terminating decimal. And the h 4 over 4 divided by 11. Let us check it. It is also not terminating decimal. 63 will be repeated infinitely. So this is not terminating decimal. So as we see, B, C, E, and the others are terminating decimal, but the others are not terminating decimal. You can check this by using your computer calculator or mobile calculator. Let us continue, and we will start question number 5. Understand lesson need. Let us start question number 5. Express each of the following decimal as fraction or mixed number in simplest form. Let us do it simply. When we simply putting this number as fraction and simplify it with by dividing or by simplifying this fraction numbers. First, let us rewrite this number as fraction. Then we will continue all this by selecting sum, and if the same formula, we will leave others for you. If you have a question for that matter, you can subscribe this channel, and you can leave your question under comment of this video. Let us start from A. A says that 0.88. 0.88. Let us convert this to fraction. This number to fraction. This means 88 over 100. When we change to third fraction, this it gives us like this: 88 over 100. When we simplify, let us divide both number by 4. When it gives us 22. When we divide 88 by 4, we get 22 over. When we divide 100 by 4, we get 25. So as after simplified this fraction, our answer will be 22 over 25. To check this, you can use now also you can use your computer calculator or to or other calculator. 22 divided by 25, we will get 0.88 or 88. So this is for question number 5, and we will try to the other. Let us continue, and we we do for question B. B says that 0.777 will be repeated continuously. Let us do it. 0.777 will be repeated and continuously. It is infinite number. Non-terminating decimal is non-terminating decimal. Non-terminating decimal or not terminated, 7 will be continuous. So we will to change this number to fraction. First we say that d is equal to 0. Let d is equal to 0.7. 0.7 will be repeated. Then 7 will be repeated. Let us multiply both by 10. This d and this repeated number. So when we multiply 10d, 10d is equal to when we multiply this number, it gives us 7.7 because 7 will be repeated as we say before. So then we subtract from this number, we subtract like that. When we subtract above, or we can also rewriting by down, we can also subtract d from 10. It gives us 9d. When we subtract from 10d, we get 9d. And when we subtract from 7.7, 0.7, we get as 7. Simply 7, because 7 minus 7, 0. 0. So 7 minus 0, 7. So d will be gives us 7 over 9. 7 over 9. So this is our fraction. It is already simplified fraction. To check it, let us divide. You can use your calculator. Let us divide 7 by 9. We get, you can see, as we see, 0.777 will be repeated. So this is our correct answer for D. And we will continue to do question number C. Says that 0.83. You can do this as say before. Okay, B the question under B will be 0.883. 3 is repeated, 8 is not repeated. So 3, this is non-terminating fraction. First, let us say that d is equal to 0.83. As before, 0.83. Multiply both sides by 10. We get that 10d is equal to 8.3. And now also let us multiply this number by 100. We get 100d, because here 8 is not repeated. So first we have to identify repeated number and non-repeated decimal. So we get 83.3. Now let us subtract. To simplify it more, we multiply this number both sides by 100. When we when we multiply d by 100, 100d, and when we multiply 0.883 83 by 100, we get 3 is under repeated question. So we subtract. Now we can subtract now from this number. So let us subtract above as we do before. We can do the same toward above. Let us 100d minus 10, we get 90. 90d 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 is equal to 3 minus 3 is 0. And when we subtract 83, 8 from 83, we get 75. 75, yeah, 75. So 75 over 75.0. So D will be 75 over 90. Let us divide this number with 5. We by 50. By 15 of 75 divided by 50, we get 5. 5. When we divide 90 by 50, 90 divided by 15, we will get 6. So the answer is 5 over 6. To check this number is correct or not, we by using your calculator. By using calculator, when we divide 5 divided by 6, we will get as we see 0.8333 will be repeated. So our answer is correct. So this is all about this question. So you can do all this question by using this formula. Let us do for the other number. 52 will be repeated. All are the same. So this is all about. We check the other number is the same. So you can do ሌላው እንግዲህ አምስተኛ ላይ ያለው አብዛኛው ተመሳሳይ ነው። ሁለት ሶስቱን ሰርተናል። ሌሎቹ ቀላል ናቸው። በዚሁ በተመሳሳይ መልኩ የሚሰሩ ናቸው። ዩ ካን ዱ ባይ ዩዚንግ ሲሚላር ፎርሙላ። ስለዚህ ሌላው ያልገባችሁ ነገር ካለ እዚህ ውስጥ የሚከብድ ጥያቄ ካለ ቻናሉን ሰብስክራይብ አድርጋችሁ ጥያቄያችሁን ማቅረብ ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። ለዚህኛው ለአምስተኛ ጥያቄ ማለት ነው ኤን ቢን ሲን ሰርተናል። ሌሎቹ ተቀራራቢ ስለሆኑ ብዙም መስራት አይጠበቅብኝም። በዚሁ በሰራሁት ተመሳሳይ መስራት ትችላላችሁ። መጀመሪያ ግን ቻናሉን ሰብስክራይብ አድርጋችሁ የፈለጋችሁትን ጥያቄ መጠየቅ ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። ስድስተኛ ጥያቄ ላይ ነው የምንሄደው። ስድስተኛ ጥያቄ የሚለው ምንድን ነው? Question number 6. We can do one of them. Express equals to following using bar notation. Yeah, as I say before, bar notation is expressed as like this. For example, this question number 1, 0.77 bar, 0.833 bar. This is a bar. So we can rewrite this. Let us rewrite. For example, as we say, 0.454545 will be repeated. So when as we can write this 45 45 45 repeated 45 repeated. So when we by using a bar notation, 45 under 45 we can put this bar notation. So this is our answer. And B says that 0.13443 0.134 which number is repeated here? 3 4 5 3 4 5 3 4 5 will be repeated, so we will write this. 1 is not repeated. 3 4 5 3 4 5 3 4 5, so 3 4 5 is repeated. So you can also similarly we can write this number using bar notation 0.1345 will be repeated, so we can write by using bar notation 0.1345 345 345 will be repeated, so the bar notation is put or under above 345 so this is the answer. And I will continue for question number 7. Question number 7 says that this is under question number 7. Reverse of question number 6. Question number 6 says that we convert to bar notation now, but from bar notation to list of digit notation. Let us start. As we see, question number A 0.13 repeated, so we can rewrite this like this. 0.13 will be repeated. Sorry, this is not. Let us change the color. 0.13, and this 13 is repeated number, so we write this without bar notation. Later 0.1313 and put 3 dot to show it is a continuous number, so 13 will be repeated. So our answer is for A. This is our answer. For others, this is the same as this 305 with repeated negative 0 negative 0.3 zero 03. So this is written as the same as 0 point minus 305. Let us this 305 will be repeated, so we can write this without bar notation 0.305 305 we can put here 3 dot. So this is the answer for question number 7 under B. Let us for say 0.381 will be repeated. Let us rewrite this also. This is also very simple question. ቀላል ነው። ይህንንም ዊዛውት ባር ኖቴሽን ለማስቀመጥ ከፈለግን 0. first equation 381 only repeated, so without bar notation we can write 381 repeated. 3 is not repeated, so we only write 81 then can put here 3 dots, so this is answer. Okay, እሺ ይሄኛው ቬሪፋይ ነው። እዚህ ጋር የተሰጠን ዴሲማል ድምሩ ወደ ፍራክሽን ቀይራችሁ ደምሩትና ከዛ ይሄኛው ትክክል መምጣቱን ቼክ አድርጉን የተባልነው። ፈርስት ዊ ሃቭ ቱ ቬሪፋይ ዚስ ዊ ሃቭ ቱ change this decimal and this decimal to fraction. Then after adding this fraction, we get the result and divide that result. Change that result fraction to decimal. You can get this. Let us do one this a, and this is the same as this is simply subtracting and addition. So the first let us change this decimal number to fraction. The first fraction's decimal is 0.275 to 0.275. Let us change this to fraction 0.275. 275 is repeated. So first let d is equal to 0.275. Then multiply this both side by 1000. We get 1000d is equal to 275.275 because 275 is repeated. Let us subtract above. When we subtract from 1000 to d, we get 999 d. We get now also 5 minus 5 0, 7 minus 7 0, 7 minus 2 minus 2 0. So we only get this number 275. So d will be let us divide by both side by 99. So 275 divided over 999. So 999. So this is after changing fraction. Let us simplify. If it is simplified, let us okay. In this number is divided by 3, but let us check it. This number is 7. No, not divided. So this is the fraction, and the other decimal number is 0.714. 0.714. Let us let us do this also by this is the first fraction, and the second fraction say that 0.714. Let us change this also. Let us change it 0.714. This number is repeated. And then let us check again here. 714 will be repeated. Let us d will be 0.714. And let us multiply this both side by 1000. We get this number d. 1000 d is equal to 740. 740. So let us subtract from like that. Now from 1000, when we subtract from 1000 d, we get that 999. 999 d. 900. d equal to, when we subtract this will be 0, and when we subtract from this 0 we get 740. So d is equal to 740 over 999. This is a fraction, and this is the first decimal number after change it to fraction. This is the second number. So now we can add this and this. Let us add this number. Let's add 275 over 999 plus 740 over 9999. So simply the below fraction is the same. So simply adding this 5 plus 4 9, 1 plus 7 8, 7 plus 2, 7 plus 2 9. So over 999. So when we add this, we get 989 over 999. When we divide this number, we get, let us use calculator for this matter. 989 divided by 999, we get that, let us 0.98989898989. So our same is 0.989989989 will be repeated. So our answer is correct, and we verify by using this type of fraction. So this is all about question number 8a, and you can do, if understand A, you can also do B. So this is all about today. If you have any question, you can subscribe the channel, and you can leave your question under comment. ስለዚህ ይሄን ይመስላል ማለት ነው። ይሄን ሰርተናል፣ ይሄን አረጋግጠን ማለት ነው። ምክንያቱም ወደ ፍራክሽን ቀይረን ሪዛልቱ የመጣ ይሄንን ስናካፍለው ልክ እንደዚህ መቶልናል። ልክ እንደሰጠን መልስ ማለት ነው። እዚህ ጋር 0.898989 እያለ የሚቀጥል ነው ማለት ነው። ቬሪፋይ አድርገናል። ይህ ካልገባችሁ ቻናሉን ሰብስክራይብ አድርጋችሁ እስካሁን ያየኑ ጥያቄ ያልገባችሁ ነገር ካለ ቻናሉን ሰብስክራይብ በማድረግ ጥያቄያችሁን ማቅረብ ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። ለዛሬ ይህን ይመስላል። አመሰግናለሁ። መልካም ጊዜ ይሁንላችሁ። ሰብስክራይብ ማድረግ አትርሱ። መልካም ጊዜ። ሌላ ጊዜ 1.3 እንሰራለን። ኤክሰርሳይዝ 1.3 እንሰራለን። 1.1 ደግሞ ከዚህ ቪዲዮ ሊንኩን ዲስክሪፕሽን ቦክስ ላይ አስቀምጣለሁ። ተከታተሉኝ። አመሰግናለሁ። መልካም ጊዜ